Your mother and I have something we need to discuss with you. It has absolutely nothing to do with either of you. Well, here goes. Your mother and I are getting a divorce.
Your mother has met someone younger and more handsome than your dad. He's the man that burglarized our house last week. It's gonna be okay. Your mommy's in love with the burglar.
I wouldn't call him a burglar. She let him in the house.
He's a weird man, but he's taller than your dad.
Oh, really?
Am I gonna have to call that burglar Peppy?
Your Peppy's gonna live in the street for a while.
Where are we going to live?
I don't know. I'm working on that. Get out of here!